Bybit, a crypto-only exchange with a high-tech trading platform. Bybit is a completely anonymous exchange. Let's find out how to trade with it. Hi, here in Crypto Market, we help you find out everything about crypto. In this video, after a quick introduction of Bybit, I will teach you how to trade on it very simply and quickly. Bybit is a world-class cryptocurrency exchange focused on futures trading. You can buy and sell individual cryptocurrencies on the spot market. Then you can withdraw the purchased cryptocurrencies. With more than 1.6 million Bybit users globally and retail or professional clients, Bybit remains customer-focused and endeavors to provide the best user experience. The Bybit exchange supports many cryptos like Aave, Bitcoin, Aave, Chainlink, Dogecoin, EOS, Ethereum, Litecoin, Polkadot, Polygon, XRP, Solana, SushiSwap, Tezos, and Uniswap. At first, you need to have a Bybit account. Please visit bybit.com. Click on the sign up field in the top right corner of the start page in the desktop version of Bybit. Choose whether you want to register by email or mobile number. When registering by email, you enter your email address and your password, which is entered the second time for confirmation. Type a verification code you will receive by email. The procedure for registering with mobile number is similar. First, you select the country or region in which your phone is registered. Then enter your mobile number in the next field, and then Bybit would also like a password from you, which is entered twice for confirmation. Then Bybit will send you an SMS with a verification code that will be requested on the website. After registration on Bybit, you'll need to deposit crypto. If you have crypto assets, you can deposit them directly in your Bybit account. If not, you can convert your fiat currency into cryptocurrency using Bybit Fiat Gateway. Now you're ready to take a trade. Follow these steps to place an order. Click on Limit, Market, or Conditional, depending on the type of order you want to place. Enter the amount you want to buy or short, along with the leverage you need. You will see two values: the order amount representing the margin you used in the trade and the available margin, which is the total margin you have in your trading account. Click on Buy, Long, or Sell, sure to place a buy or sell order. If your order was market, it will be executed at the current price. If it was limit or conditional, it will execute once the price reaches the desired levels. You can also select advanced order types according to your requirements. Exiting a trade is as critical as entering one. If you don't have an exit strategy, you can lose profits or end up suffering huge losses. You should place your stop loss as soon as you enter the trade. In the order details of the active order, you will see the take profit and stop loss options. In take profit, enter the price you want to exit the trade in a profit. In a stop loss, enter the price at which you want to exit your trade. Both take profit and stop loss are placed as conditional orders. If you have set stop loss and take profit, your position will be closed automatically once the price reaches the specified levels. If you have not taken stop loss or profit, you can close your position manually. To do this, click on the order details and exit the position.